You know that magical moment when you first connect with tarot? It is amazing, right? But then you look at your deck and you start to think, how on earth am I going to learn all of this? Trust me, I've been there too. Now, when memorization starts to really take over, it can feel like all the magic is slipping right through your fingers.
And I somehow got my first Rider-Waite deck through Amazon. And at the time, I was trying to do the typical way of memorizing every single card in the deck. And it was just very defeating. And it was so difficult.
A lot of us start out with tarot thinking, I have to memorize everything to get it right. Tarot is so much more about feeling connected to the cards than knowing every single detail by heart.
So I have ADHD, and so memory is not something that we are good at. But what I loved about the approach is the intuitive reading.
Tarot is not about perfect recall or textbook meanings. It's about letting go. It's about trusting and tuning into your intuition and allowing your inner wisdom to really guide you.
Trusting my intuition just allowed me to kind of breathe, open up, and really start connecting to the cards. Trusting my own journey, trusting in things as they unfold, life as it unfolds, is a huge part of both my growth as a person and as a professional.
And it's not just about reading tarot anymore. It's about unlocking a deeper confidence that spills into every part of your life. Because the second you let go of needing to always get it right, you are free to connect fully with the cards and with yourself.
It opened up my intuition. It opened up my heart chakra, right? Because I started to lead with my heart and not be so logical. And so for me, that was the amazing part.
And this is where tarot truly transforms lives. It's more than about memorizing meanings or following a structure. It is about awakening your intuition and that powerful inner compass that's within you.
To find that actually happening, that I was beginning to get the confidence in my intuition, just changed everything for me, changed everything.
Every reader goes through that journey from doubt to trust. But you don't have to do it alone, because in the Biddy Tarot Certification Program, I'm going to guide you step by step to show you how to strike that perfect balance between structure and intuition. Your intuition is at the core of tarot, and when you learn to really lean into it, that is when the cards will open up in ways that you have never expected.
Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.